Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel, whether or not you've been here before, depending on. Yesterday, I had this random visitor just show up out of nowhere, and he was talking about boats, and I was like, you know what, we should build a boat one day. So we drew up some schematics, his more realistic schematics, with a nice fancy ruler and some labeled diagrams. And here's my ridiculous, silly pirate ship that I still want to build anyway. And here's the prototype that ended up coming out, which looks nothing like either of the plans. It's made entirely out of popsicle sticks. I've consumed so much sugar. No, I'm just kidding, I bought them in a pack. But it's got a fold-down mast, like this, which is made of a drumstick from my drum kit that I don't use enough. And it's got these little folding arms that go in, using nothing but popsicle stick mechanics in order to save space when getting in tight little spaces. It's got a tiny little rudder made from one of the motors, some popsicle sticks and one of the motors out of an optical drive from an old broken computer. And we have this nice little weatherboarding with a tiny little window that's just the right size for my fingers. And this is also just a motor from an optical drive. And then we've got some tape rolls, and I figured out how to make nice curved popsicle stick bases with nothing but popsicle sticks and hot glue. So this is my little prototype model. Not sure if it'll ever get made into a scale model, mainly because I don't have the budget for that. But maybe one day I might build this for fun. Not sure what I'm going to call it when it's been scaled up, and I'm not sure where I'm going to get a tree-sized drumstick, but we'll see. It might just be a model, and that may be as far as it ever goes, but maybe it'll turn into a real boat. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.